Good evening, my beauties. And how are you tonight? Tonight's a special night. It's pajama night. It is. Saturday night is pajama night. And I'm in my pajamas. So, this is a night to just get in your pajamas, even if it's day for you, and sit back and relax, because I have a Birchbox unboxing that you can watch and enjoy and just relax. I'm in my jammies. Get in yours. I'll wait. Are you in them? Are you comfortable? Okay. Very good. So, this is my second Birchbox, I believe. Birchbox. Okay, so Birchbox is open by these fun little things here that never work. You'll see. They never work on the first try. See? Happens every time. And then we do the other side. Watch this. Oh. Hey, look at that. That's as far as it goes. Okay, so the rest of it you have to do with your fingers. Getting into them makes it like, this better be good stuff, because if I have to work this hard to get into the box, then we better have some good stuff in there. Am I right? Birchbox is wonderful because it is always a box within a box. I like these kind of boxes because they're really good for putting makeup in, or knickknacks or anything else. And I love the color. Look at those pretty colors. Birchbox. Very nice. And I really enjoyed my last Birchbox, which was my first Birchbox. Say Birchbox 10 times fast. Go ahead. Say it. Well, when we open it up, we see a card, and it says, "Hello, sunshine. Spring sure looks good on you." Actually, right now it's getting to be summer weather. I mean, come on, I'm in New England, and by the end of the week it's going to be near 90. That is hot for this time of year, but that's okay. I just have to clip all the hair off my horse so that he doesn't sweat. Okay, so we have the we saw that already, and on the back is everything that's in the box, which we will look up as we discover. I just love these. Okay, so we got green, pretty green, all kinds of stuff to discover. So we got 5 items in there. And let's see what's what. The first item I pull out is, ooh, oh my goodness gracious, how do they know? They must read minds. Look at this. Check that out. Check that out. Anti-Humidity Gel Oil. I have, my hair's back right now, but I have the frizziest hair. It's naturally wavy, but it gets super frizzy. It's already getting frizzy, even though the dew point, the humidity and stuff isn't that terribly high yet, which is a good thing, because if it's going to be hot, at least it's not going to be humid. But this is going to be wonderful in the summertime because of all my poof frizz. So, oh my goodness, that is a beautiful item to pull out first. So I definitely am going to say BB curl. I like my waves. I just don't like it when they go poof. Okay, anti-humidity gel oil. There's a definite winner. Wonder what it looks like. Let's see. Let's take a peeky. Gel oil. Oh yeah, look at that. See? Look at, it's like a little oil. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna, let's see. Frizz. Put it on my hair. Anti-frizz. Ooh, it feels good. Smells nice. That's good stuff. Oh, that feels good. Oh, my hair's gonna love this. Of course, right now it's just kind of, because I'm in my pajamas. It's late. I'll be going to bed after this video. But I definitely wanted to open this. I was so excited when it came today. I like the Birchbox because they're, at the moment, BoxyCharm is my favorite. Ipsy is good. I have quite a few. So we'll see. I'm supposed to put this. It doesn't give instructions because apparently this is a trial size. But it doesn't say whether to put it on wet hair or dry hair. I just put it on a little bit of my dry hair, but I'm going to assume that you would do it after you wash your hair. Golden Glow by Marcel. That's what this one looks like. And again, it's a trial size. And trial sizes can be fun. The thing I like about these is I can fit them in a box. And when I think, oh, you know what? I got that. I want to try it and see if it works on, you know, whatever. And then I don't have to buy the full product. If I really like it, I'll go and buy the full product. So, apply on cleansed face can be worn alone or as a makeup base. Okay, so you know you can apply this either way. Let's see what it looks like. I can only use my hand. Oh yeah, it's got stuff in it. Let's see what we got here. It's probably not much in there. It's just a little cream with a little tint. A little tint to it. It's very light. Very light. My left hand is going to not know what to think because I'm always using it to try everything. It's going to go, my right hand's going to get jealous. We have Balance Me BH Exfoliating Concentrate. And that's what this looks like. Right there. And it looks to a beauty pad. Gently wipe over a clean, dry skin. Avoiding the delicate eye area. No rinsing required. Okay. To try that one when I don't have anything on my face. Maybe tonight, after I clean my face up, maybe I'll give this a try. I have to try everything because, you know, therefore, we have here, we've got a little bottle. This is the Body Shop Ginger Scalp Care Shampoo. They know I like hair care, I'll tell you that. And that looks like this. Yep. And that flaky scalp, which I don't really have. I don't have dandruff. My horse does. Maybe I can use this on my horse. He gets dandruff. He's a gray horse, so he has black skin, but his fur is white, or looks white for the most part. And of course, when that black skin flakes, you really see it. You know, it's like having black hair and then having white, you know, flakes. So I'm going to definitely have to give this a try, even if I try it on my horse. What do you think? More product in here, and it's in a box. Ergo Cosmetics Powder Blush. This is the full-size product. Ergo Cosmetics Powder Blush. I love the scenery on the box. It's beautiful. Wow. Blush on tonight instead of contouring. I didn't contour. I just I just took some darker colored blush, put a little darker on here, and just brought it up lightly. That's all I did. And then I put a little highlights. And so really, it's not too bad, just using a little blush. Let me see what's in a tin. It looks like that. Cargo. Big Easy. See, without my glasses, I thought it said the big baby. That's nice. Can you see? There you go. Give it a nice shadow. Oh, I like that. Oh, I want to try this. I'm going to put a little... That's what it looks like on my finger. The color. Let's see. See what it looks like on the face. What do you think? I think that'll be... Ooh. Yeah, see? And then you blend it in. I like that. I like that. I like that color. It's very light and nice. So let's take a peek at our card here. So we have Balance Me. That's this. Remember? Balance Me. Okay, and this is, it says $37.50. This exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, reduces blemishes, and improves hydration to reveal brighter skin. Apply to face and let it dry before applying next step. And Bumble Curl Anti-Humidity Gel Oil. That's what I tried on my hair. I definitely am going to like this. Let's see, Curl Anti-Humidity, full size, $30. Let's see. This nourishing gel oil hybrid adds hydration, bounce, and shine while protecting against humidity. That's going to be great in the summer. In sections, okay, so emulsify, enhance, work in sections through damp hair, then air dry. That is exactly what I'm going to do. My hair needs to be washed, so tomorrow I will wash my hair, and I will most definitely use this product in my hair tomorrow night. Hopefully I'll get another, if I get another box subscription, you'll be able to see the result, because I'll have my hair down and done, and we shall see. Okay, so Marcel, that's this little thing. This is just a sample. Okay, full size is $29. This BB cream is a customer favorite for a reason. It's a true multitasker that gives skin a radiant glow while evening tone, controlling shine, and hydrating the skin. Ginger Scalp Shampoo. Full size is $11. Affordable. Massage into hair until lathered. Rinse and repeat. Why do they say that? Like we don't know how to wash our hair. Really. Wash your hair, don't you? Of course, the Cargo Cosmetics Powder Blush, the Big Easy full size, $26 for this. The cult favorite, Silky Smooth Buildable Powder Blush, creates a natural flushed look, which I can see that it does, and I like it. With a nearly undetectable finish, customize your color by applying on light layers. Oh yeah, for sure. I can see that. Oh, this is going to work so well with my typical makeup routine. I just know it is. I'm going to cherish it. That and this. I am going to cherish those. Okay. So that can't complain. Hey, my beauties. I hope you enjoyed that. And I have other unboxings coming up very soon, plus a giveaway coming up very soon. And some product tries. And I'm going to have some surprise unboxings as well. Stay tuned, subscribe, and catch me the next time. Have a wonderful day or evening, and I look forward to seeing you again. Stay beautiful. Yes.